Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I am taking up verses from Gopika Geetam, the fantastic verses. This is highly popular. This appears in the 10th skanda of the celebrated Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurana. Gopika Geetam is highly popular world over and the devotees applaud and gopis. This Gopika Gita is a fantastic, yields us fantastic tunes. It is composed in a poetic meter called Indira Vrutta. What is it? Indira Vrutta. It gives us fantastic tunes, highly melodious, highly enjoyable all along. There are totally 21 verses or shlokas in this Gopika Gita, and then first 18 shlokas are composed in Indira Vrutta. The 19th is in Vasanta Tilaka. The 20th and 21st is in Anushtup. In the 21st shloka, what happens is Lord Shri Krishna appears before the gopis. That verse is also highly popular and it is often chanted during several Hindu rituals. And then what it describes is the reappearing of Lord Shri Krishna among the gopis. So it goes like this: Tasa Mavirabhut Chaurihi Smayamana Mukham Pujaha Vidambaradharastradvi Sakshan Manmatha Manmataha. That is a fantastic description. This is also highly popular. And then before this, I am going to just recite this first shloka of Gopika Geetam now. It gives fantastic tunes, highly enjoyable all along, and we can enjoy the devotion and also the fantastic melody and tunes. So in the same tune, I have composed a Lakshana Sutra for this Indira Vrutta. And the finest example for Indira Vrutta is Gopika Geetam itself. So I will just recite my own composition, which is composed in the same tunes. Fantastic composition by God's grace, I did it. So here I go. First shloka of Gopika Geetam, then my own composition of the Lakshana Sutra, which is the same tune and description. It is composed in Indira Vrutta also. That is it. So here I go. Jayati te dhikam janmana vraja Shrayata Indira Shashvadatrahi Daita Drushyatam Dikshutavaka Tvaidhuta Savatvam Vichinvate. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? The tune is la 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 le, la 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 le. That is, if you observe all along, just take up the first padam. Jayati te dhikam janmana vrajaha. It is yielding us N, RR and 01 pattern. The digital pattern will be 000, 101, 101 and 01. So I will explain this again. Jayati is a Nagana is 000, and then Te Dhikam is 101, that is a Re for Ragana, and then moving on Janmana is again a Re for 101, and then Lagav is Vrajaha, that is one Lagav and one Guru. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So all around the 18 verses yields us this fantastic tunes, highly enjoyable, with devotion and melody we can enjoy. So that is it. In the same manner, I have composed in the same tune the Lakshana Sutra of Indira Vrutta. Here I go. Narara agate shobhite lagau, Narara agate shobhite lagau, Yadi cha vikshyase indireti tat, Yadi cha vikshyase indireti tat, Tadiha sundaram gopigayanam, Tadiha sundaram gopigayanam, Jagati kirtitam, moda modadam, Jagati kirtitam, moda modadam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now I will explain the Lakshana Sutra. You got the pattern now. The Indira Vrutta pattern is N, RR and 01, that is Lagu Guru. Okay. Nagana, Viragana, that is 2 times Re for Ragana, N, RR, and then 01, that is 1 Lagu, 1 Guru. So this is the pattern. So in the same pattern I have composed Narara Agate, Narara Agate, Shobhite Lagau. Narara is a Nagana. Agate means when it comes. When what comes? Then Narara comes. Ragana, Ragana, Ragana comes. Shobhite Lagau, it is adorned, decorated with Lagau. And at the end it is decorated with one Lagu and one Guru. That's the meaning. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Narara Agate, that is again one Nagana. Agate is a Refa. Shobhite is a Refa. And Lagau is again exactly Lagau. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Narara Agate, Shobhite Lagau. Yadi cha vikshase, yadi cha vikshate, indireti tat. Yadita vikshase means when you see this pattern, when you see this tune, yadi cha vikshase, indireti tat, that is called as Indira meter. Now apply the sutra and sutra itself. Yadicha is yielding as a Ragana 000. Vikshase is a Refa, that is Ragana. And then Indire is a Ragana Refa. Titat is again a Lago Guru, Lago we are getting. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on, the third poem what I have composed is Tadiha Sundaram Gopi Gayanam. Tadiha Sundaram means this beautiful poetic meter, Gopi Gayanam. The Gopika Gita is the finest illustration for this Indira Vrutta. Tadiha Sundaram Gopi Gayanam. Tadiha is a Nagana 000. And then Sundaram is a Refa, and then Gopiga is a Refa, and then Yanam is Lagau. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on, the fourth poem what I have composed is Jagati Kirtitam. All over world the devotees are singing this fantastic song, Jagati Kirtitam. That's the meaning. Jagati Kirtitam Moda Modadam. Moda is happiness or joy. Moda Modadam means it gives joy to all of us. Dam is giving. It gives joy to all of us, which lingers on and on for days together and weeks together and months together. Keep singing, keep enjoying devotion, keep enjoying the fine tunes of this song. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So once again, we will sing this fantastic Gopika Gita first verse and then the composition, the Lakshana Sutra, and then I'll wrap up this video. Next upcoming video will take up one more fantastic Chandas and deal with the illustration, Shloka and Lakshana Sutra, etc. So here I go. Jayati te dhikam janmana vraja shayata indira shashvadatrahi daita drushyatam dikshutavaka tvayidhruta savatvam vichinvate. The same tunes, the Lakshana Sutra, the same meaning, and in the same Indira Vrutta. Narara agate shobhite lagau yadita vikshase indireti tat yadicha vikshase indireti tat tadiha sundaram gopi gayanam jagati kirtitam moda modadam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? You mug up these two slokas and enjoy the poetry, brilliant poetry. That is the first 18 verses composed in Indira Vrutta by sage Vedavyasa. The 19th is in Vasanta Turka. 20th and 21st is in Anushtup. You enjoy the fantastic poetry and devotion in Gopika Gita. You try that for yourself. It is available on the net. And then the fantastic Lakshana Sutra which I have got you. You can also mug up, sing this and enjoy. So the next upcoming video will take up one more such fantastic poetry and poetic meter from the ocean of Sanskrit literature. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas DB signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 876233915. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sakti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.